All right, good afternoon. So, the worst thing about doing any type of maintenance or building an engine is doing all the cleaning. So you can see all this gunk on here and everything like that. The bolts, you know how they look pretty clean. So just get a oil pan, an old, bucket of some sort. This is a coolant antifreeze bucket. And you can see that I cleaned all the bolts and just put them in there. So I got to sort through all those to make sure I've got the right bolts. But I found that this paint thinner, the cheapest place you can get this is from Walmart, I believe. Made with real mineral spirits. You don't want to get this in your eyes, but just use caution. It doesn't take much either. But yeah, you just want to clean up the material. Then I'll come back with a carb cleaner and clean everything. I got some Loctite here that I'll use for the hardware, and I'll put all that in here. But this is this one here temporary. We still got to clean all these water pump bolts here, and I got to figure out what bolt goes where, because all my bags have been mixed and matched, and I think movers dump, like all the bolts into one bag, and it wasn't really fun when you figured it out later on that, hey, this is what happened to all your bolts. They got dumped into one box. So that's just what it is. Other than that, it's just gonna be slow progress here. I'm just cleaning up nuts and bolts, cleaning the surfaces, making sure everything has a good dry fit. And once we get the timing cover on, and we'll go ahead and install the water pump. Then we can flip it upside down. We'll put the oil pan on, torque that down, and we'll come up here. We'll put the head on. We'll clean up the head surface, with a razor blade, and probably get some honing stones and run across there and make sure it's nice and clean. That's pretty much it. Like I said, just a slow process. You don't want to rush it. Definitely don't want to use anything like this, like how dirty this timing cover is. I just wanted to set this here as an example of what not to do. All right, if you got any questions, let me know. So I reference all my manuals before I actually go and torque everything down, so you don't want to break a bolt or snap a bolt off in a component or strip anything out. So that's why you want to use your torque specs. All right, have a good day.